All right, so we're getting this stuff put back together, and I wanted to check out the map sensor, all the emissions creating all that soot. When we pull this out, this is what it looks like. We're going to clean that off, and then I'm going to show you what it's supposed to look like. But that's a pretty rough map sensor. Alright, so if you see all of that soot that's coming out of this sensor, you can see down in there, there's a little probe that measures the pressure of your manifold. And we just take a pick here, and we're just cleaning off all of that soot. You can see from the pile on the table, it's quite a bit. I'm going to use this mass airflow sensor cleaner on it once we get a majority of the big stuff off of there. And then we'll clean around the outside with the wire brush. We'll re-lubricate the O-ring and we'll reinstall it.
When? By who? When you do oil changes and stuff?
Probably reading the manual and it'll say what interval. Alright, so we sprayed this mass airflow cleaner on the map sensor. You can see on the table it just kind of immediately breaks down this soot, this pretty big pile of soot that we've got, but that mass airflow cleaner just turns it back into a liquid. And so just spray that down pretty generously, and it self dries out. That way you can clean that out, you can see the probe, everything's good to go in that sensor, and we'll go ahead and put that back in the truck. Alright, here we are back on top of the truck. I put a little bit of silicone lube on that O-ring just to preserve the integrity of that. I like to do all these by hand to make sure that you're not cross-threading anything. Just pop that dude on there. Don't have to wrench it down. It's just something to keep it in there. The O-ring's nice and solid. And then we can reconnect that piece, push it in, push your lock pin in, and that connection is finished.